How to fix Instagram feeds story not uploading. It's easy if you want to do it. All you have to do first, just go to settings and then go to apps. Go to apps again. Now type here feeds. You will find it. Click on it. Now first thing, go to permissions. Now give it all the permissions that you can find here, like microphone and all those permissions, and then go back. And now go to storage, clear cache, and for stop it. Now go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, then click clear data, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. Just try again, and I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.